Good, are you? There. Is that nice? Hey? Mm. I think a better knife, really. Pointed. It's rasping at me. Now, last time I did this was when John Neville was alive, and that's... Whew.
It's a while back, isn't it?
It is. Hey, stop dripping on me, you. Blood off.
It's quite amazing how you get that off, innit, without a lot of blood coming out, isn't it?
Yeah.
You think with a lot of blood.
Yeah, I was thinking I could... There's lots of blood in the side here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't know if it's... well, there it is.
Rib cage.
That's its end of its rib cage. It's arse a bit further over.
So you make the incision under there then?
Right?
You make the kind of incision there.
Well, it's there, but you want to get to neck, because in here there's the what's it? The
jugular.
Not the jugular, the pipe. Where is it now? It's got to be in here, isn't it? You know the feeding pipe?
Esophagus?
No, it's rasping at me. I'm going to go get a better knife. I've got one in my car that I kept for special. He's off to lead the plough. Look at that now. Oh.
If I don't know, I've done this for you outside that road.
I know. That's nice, isn't it?
It's amazing how you get the skin off, isn't it, without...
Yeah. I want now is Freddie to go and see it. Go, oh! Right, where's that belly? In here somewhere.
It's a very camp gear now, isn't it? I found a camp deer.
That's it, isn't it? Is that good, that?
Mm. What do you reckon it weighs, that then?
Eh?
What do you reckon it weighs, that?
I don't know, I was struggling to lift it on my top. See that blood that's dripping out there? What is it?
Must have its tongue, innit?
Yeah.
So when you did this in Scotland, were you surrounded by flies, I imagine?
Thousands of them. Oh, it was bloody awful, that. They were all around my head. I want to go in a minute and...
So do you take all the skin off before you do the guts or not?
Oh no.
No, you just do that.
I just want to get into here. The soft bit here, you see. Which I can do now. I mean, last time I did it, it was on the floor. in Scotland just let down in grass.
Right.
Yeah. There'll be a load of shite inside, isn't it?
So it's been eating.
You know what I mean? When I get into belly.
Poo.
Not poo, but it's just. Is that his penis there?
It's a little one, like, isn't it?
Yes, it is not. Yeah, let's try that, doesn't it?
It does. You can tell it's not been sitting eating McDonald's, can't you? There's no fat on it, is there?
No. Right.
Oof.
Ooh.
Oh, stinks.
Yeah, that's the doofer.
So it's been eating.
What it's been eating.
That reminds me of the smell of our kitchen, that does.
The what?
The smell of our old kitchen when you did your chickens.
Yeah. I just cut into what's it bag, haven't I? Poo bag. That's just undigested food, that.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll give that to Marge. It's alright, that doesn't smell as bad.
That's what Bear Grylls would get. Wouldn't he squeeze the water out, wouldn't he, and eat it?
See, what he wants.
It's all
now.
that.
Oh shit, it's coming over already. It's been busy, hasn't it?
Yes.
I want to get into the neck because I want to release its food pipe. You know what I mean?
To let the air in, you mean?
No, I want to get it. You know the. Up here,
Mm-hmm.
somewhere. I'd say it's under here somewhere. I'd say. I don't know really. Where the bloody hell is it? He's definitely dead, Mark, isn't it?
I think so now, yeah.
That's it there, I'm feeling now. Yeah. See, that's its shape. That's its pipe.
Oh, and you pull that out from the bottom.
Well, hopefully.
Oh, I see.
Yes. Is that its food pipe?
There's another part behind it, isn't there?
Is it?
Yeah, there's one behind it. Behind your finger now.
That?
There.
That one?
Another tiny one behind it, yeah. There.
That's not.
Now there.
Let me have a cut here. Should be able to pull that out now. Liver. Hey, Marge will love this. Don't you, Marge? She'd love it. She'd love it. There you go. Pipe. That's blood. Got bloody flies already.
Yeah, it's amazing, isn't it?
Bloody swines. Oh, get out. It's still warm, that.
So's me van.
Eh?
So's me van.
Well, there's the art.
Eating that or not?
Yeah. I'm going to get it out. Yes, this stick bastard up. I don't remember having it like this in Scotland. I don't remember it being as bit difficult as this.
Yeah.
No.
Did the heart just pull through? Is it attached to something then?
It's attached to the... See that now? I bet you're not saying that, are you? That should come down now. Right, it's going now.
It's like a piece of plastic pipe, that, isn't it?
Yeah. It's the...
It's very alien, isn't it?
It's the esophageating. It's gruesome, isn't it?
Mm.
That's a leather. Oof. And you get as a bag out hung up in garage.
Mm.